Okay, class, do you remember last week when we learned about the different parts of the clock? Who remembers? Shayla, good job. Shayla, do you want to come up to the board and put a part of the clock that's missing on here?
Any part.
Any part.
How many?
One.
Just one?
Well, it's my turn.
My favorite number is 3.
It's my
Three.
turn.
Good job.
That's also
Good job. Daniel, did you want to take a turn? Okay, how about you do one? Okay, let's think about this. So what number goes here? Well, what number? Do you remember what number the clock starts with? At the top. Do we need a reference? Or yeah, good job.
12.
So,
Yep.
good job. So then what would go here? Yep. So let's count these circles down to this one. Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh,
6.
silly me.
Thank you.
Sorry, Teacher Spadoni.
Olivia, do you want to take a try?
Yeah.
How about you do 2?
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Fair. I'm gonna do this one. And this one. I like this one. I was trying to sneak it.
Okay, Shayla, let's put our tape away. And how about you can do 1, because you put tape on it again.
Beautiful. What are these for?
Well, what hand is this on the clock?
Probably the second because it's really long.
Well, remember the second hand moves lots.
Yes.
So we can't draw it on like our paper clock or on our clock on the board. So what hand is this then?
I forget.
Okay, we'll come back to it then. Maybe Olivia or Daniel can help us.
Catcher
Nine.
sings a
Good
song
job.
about clock.
40.
Okay, good job. Do you want to do another one?
What are you singing?
Kesha and her song about clocks.
That's what I learned about clocks.
Wait.
That's my
Wait.
parents me.
Okay. Oh, we're done. Okay, thank you.
I was making a
Okay, so let's finish these ones left as a class. So, 1, 2. Okay. So 3, 4, 5, 6.
7.
Good job, Olivia.
Why is
8,
the 7 on
9.
a line?
I know. It's gonna look
I've never
funny.
seen a clock with a line.
It looks like a backwards F.
Well, we'll
Yeah,
fix
it
that
does.
then.
She did it wrong.
8, 9,
10.
Good job.
And then 11.
And then 11, 12.
Wow. That's a good clock.
Okay, Daniel, do you remember what the little hand's called?
Seconds.
That's the big hand.
That's the
Oh.
really fast hand that moves around the clock.
Like,
Minutes.
no.
First hand?
Maybe let's ask Olivia if she can help you.
H.
Shorthand?
The little hand.
H.
H?
Each
Starts
hand?
with H.
Is it an H hand?
I honestly don't know.
Hour hand?
Hour.
Good job, Daniel.
I gave him
I'm sorry.
Thank
I forgot
you.
to do my homework and I blanked.
Yeah, you didn't get a ticket today for your homework. I forgot about that.
I'm sorry.
hour.
Okay, so guys, what's the big long hand then?
Seconds.
Minute.
Good job. Remember, we just talked about that the second hand is the really fast one that goes around the clock.
Oh.
Like,
So this is the minute hand.
Oh.
Okay, so now that we've reviewed what each part of the clock is, we're gonna practice doing some different every time is the same.
Oh.
So like when we come to
lunchtime.
yeah, lunchtime is what time? It's 12 o'clock.
Yep.
And what time do we come to school?
And the bell rings at 9.
Good job. So we're gonna. What should we start with? Maybe 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna show you. So because at the
Daniel started it. He made me. He told me.
Danielle, hands to ourselves.
Sorry, teachers.
Hear that?
Shayla? Okay, so when we start, because 0 is top of the hour. And so when we start with the minute hand on 0, and then when we want, because the minute hand's the big long one, then we point the short hand, the hour hand, towards the 1. That's 1 o'clock. Should we try another one?
Mhm.
Okay. So, what do we do up to the top?
What time do we want?
Well, we're going to do 4 o'clock, because that's the end of the day when you go.
All the way up?
To the what?
The long one.
0.
To the 12.
Good job. Because why do we put it all the way up to the,
Because that's at 0.
and it's the start of the hour. So then, where are we going to point the shorter hand? Olivia?
I don't know. This is hard. What time again?
4 o'clock.
So to the 4.
Good job.
Nice.
So, do we think we can do this on our own, on our paper clocks? I'm going to write a time on the board, and then you guys are going to do it on your paper clocks, and I will come check it. But I'm going to write it in digital time, okay?
Digital.
Remember, this is analog time. We talked about that last week.
Yes.
And digital time is just the numbers. Okay.
Scary.
So, let's everybody do this time.
There's a this time?
No. 3 o'clock.
That's what we have. Clean up.
Here, let's do it on our paper clock. Paper plate clock.
It looks like an L. The clock handle.
Yeah, good job. That's great. Good job. Daniel, let me see what you did. Okay, let's think about this. Where does the big hand go? What? It's at the start of the hour.
That's okay.
Okay. Good job. And the little hand. Perfect. Good job, Daniel.
We drew a pee-pee. You said to the office. Round of applause.
Daniel? We need to send you to the office. Oh, good job, Olivia.
Yeah, I made a mistake at first. Not as big as Daniel's, but I made my long clock into a short clock.
Good job. Okay, let's try another one.
Oh, that's the time my mom makes me
What?
take a shower and go to bed.
Yeah.
I know you're gonna draw.
So let's put 8 o'clock on our paper clocks.
Okay.
Tick tock on the clock.
Shayla, are you having trouble?
Yeah, I got the straight up one. The hour.
Okay, so what?
A minute.
So 8 o'clock is what number?
Well, 8.
Okay, so where are we gonna point that shorthand?
Right below the 9, I guess. Right about there.
What is that pointing at?
8.
Good job. Nice work, Daniel. That's great. Okay, Olivia. Oh my goodness, you did such a good job too. Are we ready to do some of these on our own?
Yes.
I am.
Okay.
Getting bored.
So I'm gonna give you a worksheet with different clocks on them, and the time's gonna be written below. So you guys, for homework, are gonna have to do make clocks just like we did with our paper clocks, but on paper, drawing it like I drew on the board.
Okay.
And then tomorrow we're gonna look at different schedules because, like Shayla was talking about earlier, she takes a shower at 8:00, huh? And what time do we start school?
8:05.
9.
Yeah.
I'm
So
not
we're
being
gonna write out tomorrow. We're gonna write out a schedule and we're gonna talk about it on the clock and how we read it, and it's gonna be great. Do you think we can do that?
Yeah.
Perfect. Nice work, guys.